cutest bird in the whole world. What we keep about for 3 months by now. So, this is the cutest bird in the world. She can drink our water. This is the cutest bird. Isn't she cute? And do you know that she used to be a girl, but now she's a
I don't know. Can you see her?
This is the cutest bird in the world. She used to be a girl. But then she turned into a boy. Isn't that right? Now, want me to kiss her? I can. And that is how she does. She can also go on heads. Isn't she cute? Come here, squeaky paws. And that is her squeak noise. If she's scared or afraid, she makes that noise. Come here. Sweetie, come here. Now, want to kiss you? Good. And I'm the host of her. I help her a lot. Hey.
You want to go get some food for her?
I know. This is what she eats. Grass, bagels, and she also drinks a little TV yesterday on my shoulder for a few minutes. Yeah. And that's her.
Oh, off she goes.
And she flies.
Let's go see her in the tree.
And she flies about 3 or 4 miles. And she is a very... And guess...
You can only print the pictures, they're not coming out right.
Sure.
Guess what?
We're doing a bird documentary. I'll be right
Guess what bird she is. Do you think she's a sparrow, an eagle, or a bald eagle?
Let's go look at her and see.
Let's see. You get to have a 3-minute break, and you may look at her and see if she's a sparrow, an eagle, a crow.
All right, call her. See if you can find her.
Chirp. 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 And
Oh,
there
I
she
see her. There she is.
Now you have your best look. Now guess what she is.
It's hard to see her on the camera.
Do you know what she is now? Oh, good guess. It's a
There she
sparrow. Now she's a very cute sparrow, I know. But we've raised her since she was a little baby. She still is a baby, but she's about 16 months or maybe even 30.
Maybe a month and a half.
Oh, look, and there's more sparrows over there.
Oh, good. Let's get out of the way. Okay, bye-bye.